Hello friends, we meet once again in Dira Sanyal Shiksha channel with a moral story, The Shoemaker and the Elves. Once again I repeat, the story is The Shoemaker and the Elves. This is a famous classical tale which you must have come across many times, and let's see with a moral. This speaks about some people who have a very helping nature. They help each other, but they don't expect immediate help from them. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a shoemaker who lived happily with his wife. The whole day he used to make shoes, and it is said that he was one of the best shoemakers in that area where he stayed. One day, while doing the shoes, he was very tired, whole day slogging to make a pair of shoes. So his wife advised him, "Why don't you take rest? Go and sleep." He said, "Yes, my dear, I'll definitely do, but let me finish cutting the leather for the next day's shoe." Then he had his dinner and went off to sleep. Now it happened the very same day, from the window of his house, two elves entered. They quickly sat down where the leather was kept and made shoes. They did it very happily. And surprisingly, they were not having themselves any shoes, neither did they wear any good dress. They looked to be quite poor. They made the shoes, and early morning they went away from that same window. The shoemaker got up and he went to make his shoes, and he was amazed. He called his wife and said, "Look, look, someone has made the pair of shoes already, and it is so beautiful." The wife said, "Yes, you are one of the best shoemaker, but these shoes are better than yours." And do you know what happened? Many customers came, and they appreciated the shoes and bought them. Soon the shoemaker became quite prosperous and wealthy. Now, it used to happen every day. Every night, the elves used to come, make the shoes and plenty of shoes, and go away the next day early morning before the shoemaker could catch them. So one day they decided to hide behind the cupboard and see who really comes and make the shoes. So they hid. And do you know what happened? In the night, they saw the elves appearing, singing songs and making the shoes. Then they disappeared early morning. The shoes were on display, and the name spread so far and wide that even the wealthiest person used to come and buy the shoes. Soon they became more and more prosperous. One day, the shoemaker's wife decided, "Why not let us also help them? Let us also give food and make dresses for them." So they made it and kept it on table. They did not get up, but they just went off to sleep. Early morning they saw the elves had eaten the dish which they had made, and they also wore their dress and went away. They were quite happy to get it. The shoemaker decided that why not we do every day the same thing. So the next night again they put the platter of food and dresses. But this time they didn't take. And what happened? The elves decided not to come. They didn't come at all. Days passed away, but really they didn't come. But they were as prosperous as ever, and their wealth was increasing. So you see, my friends, these elves are very shy. They are ready to help people who help themselves. Like God, God helps those who help themselves. But God doesn't want anything from us. Same way, the elves, they don't need help from the others. They are ready to help others. And this also happened with the shoemaker. So they didn't come at all, yet they had great love for them. So we shouldn't be irritated with them as they were not taking any help and rendering help to them. Instead, be grateful to them that they are always ready to help them and they always love them. Now, friends, make some more stories, read them, create your own stories. You can give another title and give another ending and go on also with the grammar work. So, thank you. We will be meeting soon again.